So Yoruba, we should stop complaining because we need to protest. We need to come out and protest. Igbo are disrespecting our institution. They disrespect our traditional ruler. They disrespect all our headers, and they can't take it in their own space. Therefore, we must not fold our hand. I just have to tell everybody this: this protest, Igbo must go, and the scrap of a unitary system is a must, and it's coming, and it's going to be loud. It's going to, whoever that want to die should go and die.
If you are an Igbo man, I want you to listen very well, because this is for Igbo people. If you are an Igbo man, you are living in a Yoruba land, in Hausa land, the north and the west. You need to be very, very attentive to what I want to tell you. There is one Igbo adage that said, Barabara feoke orara. Ọkwa na-anụta ka ọla eze, ọ dịka eze ọ gwara anụmanụ. Gekwanụ ntị ndị Igbo. Ọkwa na ọsụ ọgha dị na nsị, ọkwa ya na-eme mmadụ jegide, onyocha were ụkwụ ya zọrọ ya. Onye nwere ntị ya nụrụkwa ihe a na-ekwu. Ofu nwoke be anyị na-adị eji ilulu Igbo wee kọwaa ihe sị, ntị ọ dịkwa. Ọ bụrụ na iwe onye Igbo, gee ntị ka m sụọ ya n'asụsụ ya aghọta. Ndị ofe mmanụ enye n'iwu na ndị Igbo ga-ala. Enyeneghị iwu na ndị Igbo ga-ala. Gekwe ntị. Ọkwa naanị osisi ka a na-agwa na a ya egbutu ya, ọkakwụrụ, ọwụrụ ọkwa mmadụ dị ndụ. Unu ekwekwala ihe mere na mbụ mee unu ọzọ. Ebido ike unu 2020 naira, nke ugbu a wụzi nwere ike ọwụrụ 100 naira ego sweet. Ka o dokwa anya. That which happened before, Igbos, that which happened before, don't allow it to happen again. This, at least in days time, it will become 1 month. The Yoruba people, because it is a Yoruba man or Yoruba men that said it. Yoruba men that have been accusing the Igbo people, they are the ones that said it. It is not all Yorubas, but the Yoruba man who said it. You should be very careful. This protest started from one man advising others, sending messages across X, sending messages across the YouTube, across the Facebook, across the Instagram and TikTok. Today, you have seen crowd of people coming out to the street to protest. It is the same way it is. Many good number of these people has one mind. Many will believe what they are saying, whether it is good or it is bad. They will believe. Many are ready to attack you at any time. Gente. All these things that are happening in Yoruba land now, you think it's a dumo. Una rapukolo onwe na aka, okwu onye rapụrụ onwe ya aka ka a na-achị n'ụkwụ. A na-achịkwa onye ji onwe ya aka n'ụkwụ. Unu dịkwa njikere, unu kwekekwa nkwụcha na nkwụcha abụrụkwa ụjọ, mụrụkwa na anya ka azụ. Oke ada erikwa ihe onye mụ anya, ndị Igbo. Ana m ekwu ya o, asịkwa m na ndị ofe mmanụ jọrọ njọ o. Asịkwa m na ndị ugwu jọrọ njọ. I am not here to proclaim bigotry. But when a person tells you, I am going to deal with you, you need to be very careful. Adjust yourself very well. Be ready to defend yourself. Defend yourself. It is not against the law. The law of defense, according to Criminal Code Act in Nigeria, it said defend yourself. Section section 86 and section 286 and section 288 and section 32 subsection 1 subsection 2 and 3. It states that you defend yourself with the force, even with a sexy force which your opponent is using. Defend yourself, even if it will cost to somebody's life. Defend yourself. If that person dies on the process of attacking you with excessive force, or attacking somebody around you you want to protect with excessive force, dies, he said you did not commit an offense. Listen, be prepared. Be prepared. Don't keep yourself loose. Say, this is how people, they normally talk. No, don't keep yourself. Anywhere you are, be prepared. Because what made a woman to conceive will take her a long way of 9 months. Uche odekwa. Uche odekwa. If you have knowledge, start developing your place. They are saying that you came and took out their land, which you bought with money, as an Igbo man. Now they are labeling you a criminal when you are lawfully occupying the place you bought with your money. They are lawfully. They are saying you Igbos are destroying their culture. What kind of culture are they destroying? That is to show you that whenever you want to kill a dog, you give it a wrong name so that people say, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. Igbos have not done anything. Irrespective that they have not done anything, protect yourself. Start developing your place. Igbos, I know, as of last year, many Igbo people have accumulated knowledge, sense, that they no longer buy 200 million. An Igbo man will go and buy in a land that doesn't belong to you. What Yoruba people are telling Igbos now is, stop developing, stop buying land, stop doing this in the land. Are they doing themselves good? No, they are not doing themselves good. Because the land has been there, they can't develop it. Without people coming to a geographical area in numbers, the place will not develop. You just go to Ibadan, check some of the bushes inside there. Are they developed? It's because developers have not entered there. When they develop tomorrow now, they will tell you, leave Oyo for us. Igbo people have come to take over our land, but you are the one that sold it. And now it's developed. Lagos had been like a bush before. But because there are a group of people who have come and say, let us build big houses. That is why they call it a modern state, Lagos. So, I would not lie to you, Igbos. Guide yourself very well. Start developing yourself. There is a new international market in Enugu. Go and buy land there and build your own house. You have many houses in your place. Igbo land is developed. Are you going to Port Harcourt? It's an Igbo land. Delta State is an Igbo land. Enugu State, Igbo land. Owerri, that is Imo State, is Igbo land. Olu, that is Olu State, is Igbo land. How many will I mention? Anambra is an Igbo land. Nsukka, Abakaliki is an Igbo land. Enugu is an Igbo land. Where? Even Bayelsa State is an Igbo land. Go and develop your place and stop buying land in a place where people are chasing you. Go and develop your place. Whatever you do in Lagos, let it be temporary. That is why I like Hausa people. Hausa cannot build anything for you. Any day you hear, they will enter Dangote trailer and go home. They have nothing to lose. May God bless you anywhere you are. Igbos, ke nkwụcha bụrụ ụjọ. Onye nwe gọzie unu.